Hello everyone, this is what it looks like in my Schoology account. Kamustahan 2020 folder is already published, but I'm going to unpublish this one after this week. And as you can see, my other folders are unpublished because this is still not available, especially the week one. I will publish this one next week, especially before the maybe August 24. So all you have to do first is to create folder for each week. And it depends to you if you're going to create or write the competencies for each week. But of course, for me, I have wrote this one. I had wrote this one because just to make sure that I'm following my guide. Next, I'm going to go to my week one now. In this folder, you could see that there are activities, think aloud, exercises, presentation, videos, and games. Based on when you're making your folders, you just have to create this based on your module. First, I always take note in my module that the presentation is available in Schoology. The PPT's name is, or the PowerPoint presentation's name is Introduction to Financial Management. So students just have to go to my presentation folder and they can see the name of it. That is the Introduction to Financial Management. And to advise you teachers, you also have to save it as a PDF file because if you're going to download this in Schoology and you are using an animation, it will change format. So you have to use or to save it as a PDF file. So this is what it looks like. And next one, let's go back to my folder. There's another one like save your file as PDF, name your file as exercise 1, and name. So they just have to go to week one exercises and exercises one. So let's go there. So this is the exercises folder. That is exercise one. So this is what the students can see. So I just use the add file or add assignment. So I just like complete the attachment, attach document and submit online, save your document as PDF. So students can download this one. They just have to rename this and save as a PDF. So if they're going to check this, they can open this one. And okay, let's wait for this. So this is how it looks like. So students just like enable editing. So they can enable editing. They can save their file, save as like that, and they can just like save it or save their name. They just can write it. Like for example, they can write Sandra. So and they can save it. Oh, but I think I did something. So instead, they have to save it as PDF, right? So they just have to save this one. So save as PDF file. So it's already done. So students can just submit this. Okay. So and next, based on my module, I also take note that save your file as Think Aloud 1 name in this folder's location. Week 1 Think Aloud 1 is Koji. So they just have to go to the Think Aloud folder. This is the attached file. So they just have to click this one and the same as what we did in our exercise folder. Let's just wait. And here it is. So just enable editing and just like what we did before. So this is what it looks like to me. So if you're going to say the think aloud, this is what it looks like. So think aloud one and this one. So students just have to go to their file or the folder and answer it or complete the attached document. And next, we have the last one. So regarding to the videos, so the students have to watch this video in Schoology, and this is the link if they cannot find it. But of course, the video is also available in Schoology, and the name is the financial system. So let's go to our videos and find that one. So this is what it looks like. So they just have to click this one and watch the video.
The
The
financial
financial
system.
system.
In
In
1907,
1907,
So that's it's just like an example. And I think that's all. So regarding to the making of videos, especially, or I mean making a folder, if you have many subjects in your account or in Schoology, you can just save it. For example, you just have to save this in our, of course, resources. So you could go to your resources, and I already saved it here. So if I'm going to transfer this one to another file, for example, I'm sorry, this one, I will save it here, okay? Just like an example, because there's no filing here. So I just like have to add materials, import from resources, and just click those week that you have created already. So for example, in our week 1, week 2. So I'm just going to add 2 weeks, okay? So I'm going to import this one. Okay, so it can automatically send it here. So of course, it depends to each courses. If your courses to another subject is different, then you have to change that one. For example, your week 1 is not about it discussing the meaning of personal management, then you have to change it. It depends to your module. So it's already also copied. So each document have activity, and calendars, rules, presentation, quizzes. So that would be all. Thank you.